Hi there, my name is Rusty and I'm a chainsaw carver. I live in the Windsor, Ontario area, Essex County, also known as Upper Canada. I've got 31 carvings around Essex County that are over 6 foot tall at people's businesses or in their gardens or yards. During the summertime, I attend many special events in my area, showing my carvings and demonstrating our sport. One of my favorite things is to carve my 1-minute feathers that I sell to the kids for $1, because everybody deserves a chainsaw carving. During these special events, some people ask me if I've been doing this my whole life, and I have to answer no. I was a soldier as a young man, and art was the farthest thing from my mind. You see, my grandpa George and his brother, my Uncle Nee, were both in the Second World War. Grandpa George came home with several broken bones, but Uncle Nee had been shot with an automatic weapon, and he had bullet holes in his skin and a steel plate in his head. As a child, their sense of duty and service were well received. So as I grew, I was in Cubs, Scouts, Army Cadets, and the Reserve before I joined the regular armed forces as a trucker. I served in Petawawa with 2 service battalion. I was in Barton, Germany with the 1 Air Division, and at CFB Chilliwack with the Engineer School. My first posting was in Petawawa with the Special Service Force. In the 1980s, we were a mobile fighting force, ready to go within 24 hours notice to move. During one of our exercises, Rendezvous 85 in Wainwright, Alberta, I was afforded the opportunity to train and actually be a dispatch rider on that exercise and several others after that. Many of my exploits and experiences have been recorded in the book, The Winged Wheel Patch. Which brings me here as the carver for the Charlie Checker Tompkin Memorial. It's a special carving for me because of the veterans, the truckers, and the dispatch rider angle. But to be part of memorializing the indigenous code talkers who had such a big part of our victory is truly an honor. I'll be taking pictures and video as I progress with the carving of this monster. So stay tuned for our next installment. Thanks for watching this one. Bye-bye.